Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you what you can do in order to make your Android device run faster. It will also help your battery to last longer. Sometimes after recharging your battery, it runs down very fast. But when you apply this procedure, it's going to help. Let's do it. All you need to do is to go on your Android device, click on Settings, and look for Apps. That's Apps. Click on it. Here, you will find the list of all the applications running on your device. As you can see, I've got quite a lot here. All of these applications affect my device in terms of how fast it runs and how fast the battery runs down. So what I can do in order to reduce the sizes of the applications is either you delete some of them if you don't need them anymore, or you can just click on any of them or anyone that you find that is consuming a lot of resources. What you could do here is either to uninstall if you don't need the app anymore, or you can go to storage and clear cache. Once you do this, restart your device and the performance will improve. I hope this has been helpful. Please, can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to like and share? Thank you.